This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 73 Plymouth Road Runner. You can see we're just coming up to speed, quarter tank fuel, oil pressure, everything, temp gauge coming up. Good running, driving car. Goes down the road nice, not really any clunks or anything. Smooth driving. Kind of a bump, always test my suspension, so good solid suspension. I think speedometer's a little bit off. It says we're going 50. I think we're probably going close to 60. But if you're looking for a nice entry-level road runner that runs and drives good, this definitely fits the bill. Kind of a neat option car with, they didn't check any boxes when they ordered it. 3-speed manual, 318. They might have checked power steering, that would have been it, because it's got manual brakes, no air. Nice dry old car, and just a good driver quality car. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.